Yesterday I did the waterproofing on the outside and the inside. And today there was a little bit of rain, not a lot of rain, so I'm hoping it's not, if it leaks, it's not catastrophic. But let's see how it held up on day one. Well, it pretty much looks exactly the way it looked yesterday. Whoa, the cistern is completely filled up. That's probably not good. That probably should be, that should be going down here. And that's completely filled up. Okay, it rained more than I thought it did. So this cistern is also filled up. Interesting. Okay. So this is the first time I've sort of seen our rainwater control methods working. Now, I mean, it's completely filled up to the level that it should. Let's see, let me go back here. So water comes in from there and goes out there, and it is at the line of where it should go out. So it's basically as filled as it should be. So now the question is, did any of the water go inside? Because that's where we do not want the water. We want it in the cistern. We don't want it inside the building. Yay! No water. Woohoo! No, so I don't know exactly which part of the process worked, but it's dry. 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 It feels good to have succeeded at that. Now hopefully it'll hold, but whatever I did seems to have worked, and any win is a win I will take at this moment. Because so many not wins happening. It's nice to get something right. I'm feeling the need to complete a thing, and that thing that I want to complete is sanding all the walls so that they're ready to be plastered, which I have not done. I've done like, 80%, but I still have some more to do. So today I'm starting with prepping all the walls basically, and hopefully I'll get to then putting plaster on today as well. ta-da! All done with sanding every wall, every plaster wall. Now I have to just replaster all the walls. So, one task done. Love it. I'm very happy to sort of accomplish a task in any given day. So, no more sanding for a while. Now it's all new plaster.